Hi, I'm Brent. I'd like to show you, using two different tools, how to punch a round hole on a piece of steel. The first tool will be used at the anvil, punching through a piece of 3/16 by 1. The second one will be using the power hammer, punching through a piece of 2 by 2 by 4.5, 4140. Process is basically the same for both tools, whether it be at the anvil or using the power hammer. You're going about 90% of the way through the steel. You'll feel the punch bottom out. At that point, you flip the steel over, reset the tool on top of the mark, come down on top of it with the hammer or with your hand hammer. You'll feel a little biscuit punch out. At that point, you're finished.
Yeah.